how to get a loan from the bank to start a business. Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to get a loan from the bank to start a business. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. The first step is to prepare a solid business plan. This plan should include your business idea, target market, financial projections, and how you plan to use the loan. Before applying for a loan, check your credit score. Next, gather all necessary documents that the bank will require. Personal identification like a driver's license or passport. Proof of income, pay stubs, or tax returns. Research different loan options available at banks. Look for loans specifically designed for small businesses as they often have favorable terms. Not all banks offer the same loan terms, so choose a bank that aligns with your business needs. Consider local banks, credit unions, and online lenders as they may offer better options for small businesses. Once you've chosen a bank, fill out the loan application carefully. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid delays. After submitting your application, you may need to attend an interview with the bank. Be ready to discuss your business plan, answer questions, and explain how you will repay the loan. After the interview, you'll need to wait for approval. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the bank and loan type. If approved, carefully review the loan terms before signing. Once you receive the funds, use them wisely to grow your business. Stick to your business plan and keep track of your expenses. That's all for the video.